Hello everyone. Today we are going to see what is ensemble learning. So what is ensemble learning? We have seen last class itself, right? It has two types. That is, what is that ensemble means? And they used. So ensemble is an techniques which is mainly used to uh, create a several models to overcome the overall performance, right? Give me one case study example to create an ensemble techniques and explain it. Okay, let's start.
Let's start with the boosting. In ML, boosting is a learning technique which is used to learn something. In there, engineering model, engineering was nothing but which is used to join the several weak models to build a strong model. It's of basically two tests, ADA boosting and gradient boosting.
So looking the topic data set. The data set, understand the data set in house price prediction. For example, square feet, bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and price. For example, the building constructed, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 1 kitchen, and the square feet is 1,500, and price of the building is 2 lakh. So these are the data set of the house price prediction. So for this house price prediction example, we can build a model. For this model development, there is 3 steps mainly. First one was data property processing and training, test, split, and model training. These 3 steps were before building any model. These 3 steps were mandatory thing. So these 3 steps are mandatory thing. Let us say first step, data pre-processing. So in data pre-processing, we can take the house price prediction. It has areas and number of bedrooms and what is the age of the land. So in age of the land, that may be in 2 digits. Number of bedroom may be 1 digit. The data will be in different types. So we need to classify it and make it in the format. We need to pre-process the data, like what are the missing data will be present, and what are the area numbers and number of bedrooms and these were the data pre-processing we need to do in step 1 model development. And step 2 model development, we need to train, test, split the data in for training and testing. For training, we need to 70% of data, and we give testing for 30% data. By giving this data, the model will be trained for prediction of house. And the third step was model training. We are using boosting techniques. So in boosting technique, in model training, we have two types: ADA boost and gradient boosting. In ADA boost, we boosting in ADA boost we do weak models. In weak models, we classify what are the previous mistakes that the model did, and by determining the previous mistake, we correct the mistake and we update it by adaptive boosting. Adaptive boosting is also known as adaptive boosting. And in gradient boosting, we analyze what are the errors in the previous weak model and train it. By combining all these weak models, we build a strong model. So these 3 steps are mainly mandatory for model development.
So now I am going to talk about ADA boost and gradient boost. What is ADA boost and gradient boost? The ADA boost trains weak model each time a mistake is made. Like it used to take several weak models and train it. Like when the weak models used to make a mistake, it will give importance for the weak model. Like it used to train that model again and again for getting a better prediction for predicting. This model helps to focus on different cases because it is used in several cases. Like in this, we are going to see house price prediction. Next, for gradient boosting, it focuses on an error. It simply focuses on error. It trains each new models to correct the error, and made by the previous model. Next, we are going to see an example like three bedrooms, 2 bathroom, area square feet 1,600, age 8, and this the price is going to be 20,000.
So let's look the advantages of boosting method. So when it comes to advantages of boosting, they provide high prediction accuracy. They can handle complex relationship between features, and they can reduce bias and variance. This is the main thing. To conclude, boosting algorithms like ADA boosting and gradient boosting, which are very powerful tools for regression tasks such as house-based prediction, they can learn many errors. They can learn from many errors and improve performance, making them highly reliable and accuracy for real-world application. Thank you.
So, among this, generally ADA boost and gradient boost is an one ensemble techniques which is mainly for stronger model into the to overcome the overall performance. So it will strongly weak models into strong and overcome the overall performance. Right? So did you understand about that concept? Thank you.